Pune has been a city of independent bungalows and houses. They had a unique character and a charm. Fondly missed by so many of us, these bungalows and homes were part of Pune's culture and identity. Unfortunately, over the years, these bungalows were replaced with cold modern slabs of concrete. In comes the lifestyle of flats and of closed doors and safety grills. Varivana is engineered and designed to bring back the culture of independent bungalows and houses. My name is Arjun Mitkar. Stay tuned. Being picturesque and beautiful, Varivana also boasts all the practical sense in the world. A direct point of connectivity to Hinjewadi's IT park, it being the largest IT park anywhere in Maharashtra and second largest anywhere in Asia. Varivana boasts the comforts of the global standards. Most importantly, a multi-speciality hospital, schools and shopping complexes catering to the day-to-day requirements. Varivana is strategically located since the expressway passes right across us, where the initial point of development out of 247 acres is 128 acres and the remaining 119 acres towards north supplemented to Supti mountains. Every time you come home to Varivana, you come home to a luxury holiday. This is our standard 4 BHK. Every door is 9 feet in height, by the way, and the living space is 22.5 feet. Rest of the bungalow has got a 10 feet clear height. The luxury of a bungalow also is the luxury of having Vastu compliance. Varivana is supremely Vastu compliance. In the Ishanya Kund we have the puja slot, and in Agneya Kund there is a spacious kitchen. In Far Ishanya we also have a plunge pool and a flowing fountain. Out of the many unique characteristics of Varivana, perhaps the most important is this 247 acre sprawling development is exclusively low rise. Thus, it is bereft of any high rises and Varivana is exclusively bungalow oriented. This is of great utility since we are at a 2027 feet height from the mean sea level, surrounded by the beautiful Western Ghats, where Varivana can boast a 360-degree view of the beautiful Sahyadri Hills. With the launch of our ultra premium phase B, where the plots are starting from 2600 square feet to land heavy options like 4000 square feet with private gardens. Majority 30% to 40% of the bungalows are facing towards the golf course or the beautiful mountains or the stream. Being one of the largest real estate developers anywhere in Pune, Varivana, a 29 plus year veteran in this industry, have a very strong portfolio of delivering commercial and residential real estate all alike. Thus far, we have successfully delivered 10 million square feet of real estate and we are 12 million square feet under development. Welcome to our most ambitious and overwhelmingly serene development, Varivana. Thank you. So come home to a luxury holiday, come home to Varivana.